Okay, well, do you really think being at the beach, safe from a storm, may happen?
Yes, I really do think.
Okay.
Alright, let's go in the ocean.
Okay. And
Fun.
it looks like you're underwater right now.
Ah, I'm drowning.
I'll help you. Come on. Cool. I'll help you. I'm helping you. Oh. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I think I hear thunder. Hey. I think I hear thunder.
Where?
No, I'm from the game.
Oh.
I think I hear thunder.
Yeah, where?
From the storm clouds.
We gotta get out of here.
Yeah, we probably need to get out of here. The flood is gonna happen. Hurricane! The hurricane!
It's coming!
Oh my gosh. The disaster. Oh my gosh, the hurricane. Oh my. It's getting hurt. It's getting worse. Oh no. The tornado. Oh no, 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 no.
We're in the ocean.
No, we're actually, the world has started to flood.
Oh, we're cooked. Yeah, we're cooked.
Yep. And it looks like the tornado is coming towards us. The video.
Let's show recording. What?
Ooh.
Well, we just fell.
Yep, and we actually survived though.
That's cool.
But it looks like our world, this is still completely flooded though from the hurricane.
Turn off your plants. So, what else do we do?
I don't know. Well,
We might be cooked, bro. I'm surprised we didn't die.
yep. Surprised we didn't die.
Let's not jinx it. Let's go.
Yep.